Welcome back to my channel, guys. Again, it's been a long time that I have not posted any videos because I was a little bit down with my health. I was sick for a couple of weeks, so I would like to say sorry about that. But today I'm gonna be talking about all your questions that you've been asking me to my channel and on Instagram. So I would be happy to answer all of your questions. I know it's been a long time, and so let's get started with the questions. I'm gonna scroll through my YouTube channel and try to answer your questions. He's Rajat Thakur. He's from Nepal. He was asking me. He has done like BTech and he has experience of 3 years of in cyber thing. He wanna ask like would project management program will be helpful for him. So Rajat, project management program, if you have like engineering background and you have some experience in the field of like technology or engineering, then project management would be a great course. And he's asking about certification as well. Like it always depend upon employer. If your employer is okay to work with you even though you don't have any certifications, then it should be fine, and it will be awesome in fact, because having certification is not a small thing. You need to study, you need to go through the process, right? So definitely it all depends on your employer itself. And there are a lot of scopes. This thing, like currently the world is revolving in process and project, right? So everything is related with construction and happening. New product development is related with project. So definitely there will be lots of room, lots of opportunity for project management. Other question: price of book of project management course. I really don't have any idea about the books because I have not done any project management course, and I used to get books from a bookstore which is in the college, and they take like if the book price is 300-400, they charge you like 100 and something bucks for semester rent. You can rent a book for a whole semester. So if you need like 3 or 4 books, you might be probably spending around like $400 to $500 for a semester, and you can sell that again. Okay, you can sell that again, you can at least get like 50% back. So net spending would be not more than 200 to 300 for a semester if you really need book. And other question: hello, I'm from Philippines. Are there part-time jobs related to nursing course? I hope you reply. Thank you. Yeah, in Sault Ste. Marie or in all Canada, there are lots of scope in healthcare field and nursing. Definitely considering current situation, they have lots of opportunity across the globe. Not only Canada, not only Sault Ste. Marie, not only GTA, Brampton, Toronto or Scarborough, wherever, but all around the world they have huge scope. And yes, you can find part-time job like at the hospital, not like registered nurse. For that you need to get certifications, but you can work as a personal support worker and some these kind of positions. Is it difficult to get part-time jobs in Sault Ste. Marie? I've been telling you this thing a lot. I made couple of videos also. You can go to my channel and check it out. Yes, there are every place. If you don't put any effort, you're not gonna get any job or anything at all. If you put effort, you keep you keep trying, you keep applying, you keep talking with people, you keep understanding the nature of job, then definitely you'll get job. It is not that easy or it is not that hard. It all depends on you. When I came in Canada, I found job in 2018 after 1 month. So it depended on me, right? And some of my friends who graduated with me, who are my batchmate, they were not able to find job even after 1.5 years. So it will all depend. It's not about luck and anything, but it all about your hard work and your persistence and your consistency when it comes to applying and considering things about jobs. There was a guy who put a page of questions for me. I would definitely like to answer his question. He's been following me for a long time. Yeah, is it Capta? I don't know your name, brother, but here's your answer. He has put like 9 questions, so I'm gonna answer all of these. Definitely all of you will get at least some idea. Your first course was in robotics, and what was another course? Okay, I have done first robotic and automation from 2018 to 2019, which was in the field of my interest. I have done mechanical engineering from India, and I came here in Canada in 2018. I've done robotics and automation, and then I pursued my supply chain management by considering the fact that I was already in the field of manufacturing and mechanical. If I want to be in higher positions in the future after getting couple of years of experience, I'll definitely need some management degree. That's why. And the global supply chain and globalization is increasing in insane. That was really worthy course for me to pursue, and that's why I took those courses. Now I'm on the verge of getting my experience. Without any experience, you're not gonna get any good positions. Those about my courses. And was it easy to get another course after completion of one course? It again depends upon the college and when did you apply. Definitely college people will consider you first and give you preference to the students who are already studying in the college, who wants to go for like second course further. So it was not that hard as compared to people who are applying from outside the world or even outside the college. So yeah, this is how it went. And did you get any vacation for 4 months and next course? Academic year in Canada is for 8 months, and 8 months of study is considered as 1 year. It depends upon you again. Then if you wanna study from September to April, and you want to take vacation from April to September, and again you want to start another course, it will be fine. I did my course successively. Like I took break for 4 months and studied second course, and I got like 3 years of work permit. So in that case, you have an option of choosing your second course right after the first course also. I did that in my case. I did take my vacation for 4 months. Did you pay for your next semester fees by yourself? To be honest, yeah, I worked for 4 months. I was able to manage my fees on my own for my second course. Definitely there was a help from my family also a little bit, but yeah, majority of the part of the fees I managed on my own. How did you get your new job? So currently I'm working in Jefferson Aurora Corporation, which is automobile manufacturing parts manufacturer for Honda and Toyota. I'm working there as a robotic welding production associate. I applied through the agency to get job there, and I went through several interview processes and application processes and hiring processes, and then I got hired. This is how I found my new job, which is my career, not like only job for money, but for my future or career. So yeah, I'll talk about the how does finding like professional jobs things work here in Canada. That also. Another question is how much you earn per hour. Basically in these kind of manufacturing facilities, minimum wages is they have to pay you at least $14 an hour, but in my case I get little bit higher than nominal wages, normal minimum wages, so it is not that bad, pretty much good. Do you live in Ottawa or Toronto? I used to live in Sault Ste. Marie. I currently moved here in Brampton. I lived in Guelph for 3 months, which is 1 hour drive from Toronto, because my company was near that city. And again that I came back in Brampton because I have lots of friends in here in Brampton. That's why I came here. So I'll be commuting from here to that company, which is 1 hour drive. So yeah, so this is how I live. what is your plan for PR in Canada? Definitely I'll be looking for work in the field of like a supervisor position or any technical technician position or technical associate positions or something like that, technologist. So that is my target. After getting B category job, I'll be working for 1 year and then I'll apply for express entry since I'll be eligible to apply. Was it easy to take your next course? Yeah, I already talked about it. Please reply and best of luck in Ottawa. Thank you. I visited Ottawa also. I was not able to make any video while my travel, and it's been a really good time despite the fact that I was sick for a couple of weeks. And yeah, I'm back again and I'll see you in my next video. So yeah, thank you for watching my channel again. I think this is a little longer video, but it was all about questions and answers. So thank you. Goodbye. Stay safe, guys.